Hey, it's Phil with Go Fast Offer. Do you have a property that needs a ton of repair and is just outdated? We want to buy the property cash, but more importantly, we want to do it in a way where nobody else has to know. So there won't be any sign in the yard, you don't have to worry about home showings, and you can even pick your own close date. And the best part is that we can give you as close to market value as anyone else could in this market. So for your cash offer, go to gofastoffer.com.